Back to my YouTube channel. Now it has been a while since I published a video. I think my last video was about last 2 weeks or last week. Now right here we have the mining contest. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how you can mine. We are going to be making another withdrawal from this particular Web3 miner we have been using. I'm going to show you how you can mine crypto on your phone using this particular Web3 miner. We have been posting a lot about this particular miner. This miner has so many features on it, from the daily check-in to completing taxes to referring your friends to the referring contest to the mining contest, and even a section that lets you mine so much BNBs and so much cryptocurrencies for yourself. You can mine with Solana, you can mine with Ton. As you can see right here in this tutorial right here, I made a video where I actually mined with Ton and I was able to mine up to 99 USDT, very close to 100 USDT, and I cashed out within this video. Now if you need the link to this video, you'll find it at the top right section of this particular tutorial. Just click on it right now and get into the video. Now there are lots of other updates I've been dropping on my channel. Welcome to Crypto Update. If you're new to the channel, if you're a new subscriber, if this is your first time of seeing any of my tutorial, I drop weekly updates on how you can make money from crypto, from mining, from trading, from airdrops, and lots of other websites right here. You can also join this Telegram channel right here. That is the Crypto Updates Telegram channel. And in this Telegram channel we drop daily updates. Now let's get into today's tutorial. Now to get into this Telegram bot we are going to be using to mine, yes, it is a Telegram mini app just like the hamster combat, but this particular mini app enables you to mine. As you can see, you can even win up to like 1,000 USDT from the mining contest, which I've been doing so far. Now to get into it, you'll find the link or the username in the description of the video, or you simply head over to Telegram and type in machine/official/boots and it gets you into the booth. So right now let's click on the join contest right here. Okay, so right now it directs us to the Mark app and it gives me the welcome message. This is the Mark app where you can actually earn lots of free cryptocurrency. Right here are notifications of some of the Mark that have been earning. Now, as I said, you can mine cryptocurrencies with this particular mini app simply using your mobile device. In this tutorial, I'm using my mobile device, and right here is a notification of several profit I've been earning from the Mark app. I've been able to earn so much Mark on a daily basis, guys. So make sure you guys get into it. Do the same thing I've been doing and also earn for yourself. So right now we have done this. The next thing you simply need to do is to hit the get started button. Okay guys, so right here this is my account on Mark, and right here as you can see I've earned over 1 million Mark, and also I've earned up to 3 BNB. I'll show you how I was able to earn this BNB. I earned this BNB basically from mining, but most importantly I earned it from the mining contest, right? Yes, there is a mining contest that is always ongoing. As you can see right here on my balance, and earned a lot of USDT from this particular Mark app. I've been making so much tutorials on this particular Mark app. I've been referring so many of my friends, referring so many of my audience. I've been able to earn so much from this particular mini app, and also you too can do the same for yourself. If you need to get into it, the username is down in the description of this video. Now right here I was able to earn this from mining. Now let me show you how to mine. To mine is very easy. Head over to this mine section right here, then scroll down. As you can see, this is my mining section, and right here as you can see currently I'm earning about 4 USDT. Now you might wonder how I was able to just earn about 4 USDT, and right here my total balance is about 6,000 USDT. Now I will show you how I was able to do this. Now in order for you to see I was able to do it, let's look at my previous mining profit. As you can see right here I have so many miners. I have about 33 miners right here, and I had 33 miners right here. I had about 6 miners that expired on the 5th of March, one other miner, 1,333 miners that expired on the 5th of March, and so many miners that have been accumulating, and some of these miners have expired. If you check their info, as you can see, this particular miner that is about 240 miners, it mined for me about 100k coins, and this particular miner right here mined for me close to 769 Mark tokens. Now this is how you can actually earn from this particular platform, basically by mining. And right now I still have about 2 miners that are actually mining for me consistently. Now if you want to get started to this, you basically need to get these miners. You need to hire miners. You get the miners that will mine Mark token. Unfortunately, this particular platform enables you to get miners with any cryptocurrency of your choice. As you can see, it has paid out a lot of users that actually withdrawn from this platform. There are currently about over 30,000 active users right here, and also there are lots of people also mining. So right now, to get started, just hit the hire miners button, and then you select the miners. But before we do that, I'm going to make just a quick, let's say a short tutorial on my withdrawal from this particular platform, just to show that it actually pays. Now right now there is still a problem with this particular platform, because yes, it's a feature they are working on. The platform only allows you to withdraw about 0.01 BNB at the spot, but you can actually withdraw multiple times. Now this can be taxing, but at least you still get to earn, and you just need to wait a bit, then you withdraw once again. However, I have seriously contacted the customer care and I have complained a lot about it, and they are working on adding a feature that will enable you to withdraw in bulk after your miner has expired. Now, in order for you to withdraw, hit the withdraw button right here and type in the amount of miners you want to withdraw. So right now we are going to be going for 0.01 BNB. Just a quick tutorial to show you this platform actually pays. We are going to be withdrawing it directly into my Trust wallet. I'm going to hit the submit button right here. Okay, so right now my withdrawal is being processed, and now it tells me I should perform an Instagram verification. Now, if you try this method, yes, you're going to be directed to the Instagram page and you need to perform this verification. Just do so yourself. It is very easy and simple.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so right now my withdrawal is being processed, and within a few minutes I should receive a notification of the BNB, the 0.01 BNB I just requested for.
5 minutes later.
So as you can see right here, it says withdrawal submitted successfully. And also, as you can see right here within this tutorial, I received a notification, and right here is my notification of 0.01 BNB. Now, as I said, this platform currently allows you to withdraw a max of 0.01 BNB. Now, if you want to withdraw continuously, there is a way to do it. Now, you basically need to wait for a cooldown period, then you withdraw once again. You can withdraw multiple times a day, or you watch an ad. So right now, let's try and withdraw once again. As you can see, my balance actually reduced a bit. Let's try and withdraw once again, and I think it should tell me yes, I've already withdrawn for today, that I should watch an ad and then I'll be able to withdraw once again. So now we're going to watch an ad. Now I'm going to watch this 60 seconds ad, and then it's going to permit me to withdraw once again.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So right now I have finished watching that ad, and now we're going to try and withdraw once again. We're going to hit the withdraw button, type in the amount, which the maximum for now is 0.01, and hit the submit withdrawal button. As you can see, the withdrawal is being processed, and within a few seconds it should tell me my withdrawal has been submitted successfully. Now it tells me my withdrawal has been submitted successfully, and according to the notification I received another 0.01 BNB. Now this is how you can easily withdraw multiple times, because I've noticed so many people have been messaging me telling me how do they withdraw multiple times. This is how you withdraw multiple times. You watch an ad and it permits you to withdraw again. Still, the Mark team, they are working on a feature that will enable you to withdraw a huge amount more than this normal 0.01 BNB. Like you'll be able to withdraw up to like 1,000 at once. Now I've showed you how to do that. Now let me now show you on how you can start mining. Now to start mining, it is very easy and simple. You basically need to head over to this section right here. You click on the higher miner section and you type in the amount of miners that you need. Now since this tutorial I've already earned so much from this particular platform, earning over 1 million mark and 2 BNBs right here, over 6,000 USDT. Now for you, now if you're new to it and you want to get miners, hit the higher miner button and type in the amount of miners you need. You can go for $10 worth of miners, or maybe you can even go for $100 worth of miners, and it gives you these miners. Now how does this thing work? It basically rewards you 4% of the amount you started with every single day for the next 30 days. After that 30 days it expires and you need to renew it. Now you can actually get more miners. You can actually just keep on reaccumulating every single day. Now there is a means to this. Now also there is also a technique you can actually use as you are mining from this particular platform and earning your your basic 4.5% per day. There is also a technique you can actually use and earn about 1,000 USDT, and I'm going to show you that towards the end of the video. However, let me show you how you can just easily get started. So let's say in this tutorial I'm going for just $10 of miners, and I'm going for 6 miners right here. I click on the higher miner button. Now you can actually get these miners using Ton or using other cryptocurrency of your choice. I will suggest you use other cryptocurrency. You can also use Ton as well, which has a similar payment system. Now simply click on pay with external wallet and it generates for you the wallet address. Now you basically need to select the cryptocurrency you want to use and hire these miners. I have lots of cryptocurrency, but I always like using BNB, and it generates for you the amount and also the address. Make sure you copy this exact amount and also this exact address. Head over to your Trust wallet and make payment to this exact address. So now let's quickly do that and get back into this tutorial. Here on my Trust wallet, and right here it states the exact amount which I just withdrew. If you check the transaction details right here, this is the exact amount I just recently copied from this particular miner, and now we need to transfer this exact amount as well. So now first of all we need to enter the amount. I've just pasted in the amount of BNBs, and also we enter in the wallet address. So right now I've pasted in the wallet address I copied from the markup and also the exact amount, and now I'm going to click on next and proceed on making this payment instantly. Now the transaction is currently being processed. Now I'm going to head back to the mini app and wait on it to process this transaction.
A few moments later.
See right here on the mini app, it tells me I just received the 6 new active miners, and it's going to be earning me about 0.45 USD, and this expires in the next 30 days obviously. So this is how it is. I'm going to be earning this specific amount for these new miners that I just hired every single day. It is very easy. You guys should try it yourself. Get started. Head over to machine/official/boot on Telegram. Get a miner, start hiring miners. As you can see right here on my mining history, right here is my new miners which expires in the next 30 days, and I'm going to earn about 4.5%. Now if you do the math, 4.5 times 30, that is about 150% profit when accumulated. So it is that easy and simple. Right now I've not earned anything, but however if you check my other mining logs right here, you'll see that I've been earning consistently from miners. So this is how I'm going to be earning as well from this particular new miners that I just accumulated. I've been able to use this method to earn about 6,000 USDT. Within this tutorial, I withdraw about 0.2 BNB right here before you guys, and also I've showed you guys on how you can also earn, get started and start mining. So get into it guys. If you need the full tutorial on this, or where I went further to explain about the mining technique right here that I just applied, you can also check the various videos on mining that I post on my YouTube channel. Now also there is still a mining contest you guys should get into. Now this mining contest just rewards those that can mine the highest every single week. Now as you can see, there are so many people that have been winning this. If you head over to the past winners right here, this contest just ended this morning I think, and I think someone won about 2 BNB, another guy won about 0.8 BNB, another guy won about 0.6 BNB. So this, you should also try and participate in this contest, because just as you're going to be mining and earning from here, you're also going to be earning from this particular contest as well. And also there have been various contests. It happens every single week. Sometimes they pay like 2 BNB, sometimes they pay like 1 BNB, and the only thing you need to do is basically you need to be the user that has the highest miners for that week. So you need to hire as much miners as possible. There's going to be a leaderboard right here that is going to be ranking like the top users, and you just make sure you are number 1 or within the top 5 and you're going to be rewarded. So guys, stay tuned guys. There are going to be more tutorials on this obviously. I noticed most of you have not got into it. Some have already started earning, some are still having lots of problems. I'm going to make more tutorials to explain everything to you guys. Stay tuned and I will see you guys on my next tutorial, and make sure you join this particular content right here. As you can see, it starts in the next 21 hours, so make sure you join it. It starts tomorrow. Join it and try to get up in the leaderboard, try to mine for yourself and try to earn as well. See you guys on our next tutorial.